Go, sit on the back. Pinch your knees and drive. From here, partner stays up. Right arm on the back of the neck. Left elbow reaches under the armpit to the wrist. Good. Now, good. Right hand to the sky. From here, step one, drop your chest on the back of his neck. Pull your elbows tight. Step two, partner stays up. Step three, drive off your toes and arch to 1 o'clock. Stop. Now keep your hands locked. Your right elbow should be pretty much in the back of the neck. Partner tries to fight to his stomach. Left hand slaps him in the neck. Explode up to your punch away half. Time.